Hey guys, well, welcome to another brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox JBL Clip 3. So it is a small portable speaker. It was focused on people who wanted to carry a speaker with them in day-to-day use. 10 hours of battery, hooks on the top, and it is IP7. It's a waterproof. It's come with a built-in mic to answer phone call and make phone calls. There's the black model, and there is a blue and gray, silver, green, quite a lot of color option to choose from. So it's got the micro USB cable, and that's your power buttons, that's Bluetooth, and you have your cable, micro USB, and you have an audio cable as well. Volumes up, volumes down, pause, play.
Let me catch my breath. Remind me how it feels to hear your voice. Your lips are moving, I can hear it. Living life as if we had a choice. Anywhere, anytime, I would do anything for you. Anything for yesterday.
So as you see, that is a very loud and high bass speaker, and it is very light the material wise, so you can hook in your bags and you don't even it's there. It's very light, so if you're looking for a small speaker to carry with you day to day, or you're just going for a park for a picnic, or you're just going for a beach, you can get a small speaker that is 40 pounds. It will last you longer, waterproof, so you don't need to worry about if you are interested in a small portable speaker that is under 50 pounds, JBL Clip 3 will be your ideal speaker. I leave a link below for Amazon. Subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.